You'll never regret having a jar of infused lavender honey in your kitchen. Dried lavender gives a light floral flavor that pairs so well with sweet honey. Use this lavender honey in hot drinks, cocktails, pastries, and even on cheese boards. And it also makes a delicious and thoughtful homemade gift this holiday season. To make this honey, you only need 2 ingredients. Start with honey. You want to use a mild flavored honey that won't compete with the lavender. Light colored honeys are usually fairly mild tasting, like clover or orange blossom. Then you'll need dried lavender. Make sure you're using culinary lavender. Other lavender, like the bundles sold at flower shops, may not be food grade, as in it could have been treated with chemicals that aren't safe to eat. And culinary lavender usually tastes better anyways because it has less oil than the fragrance stuff used for perfume and bath products. Less oil means a sweeter, more palatable flavor. To steep honey, you can use either the cold or hot method. The cold method involves no heat or cooking, which is great if you're using raw honey. All you need to do is combine the honey and dried lavender in a jar. Then just let the honey steep for at least 5 days or ideally longer, like a week or 2 for more flavor. The lavender will float to the top of the honey, so flip the jar or stir every day or so. Once it's infused, pour the honey through a fine mesh strainer to remove the lavender. Honey can solidify over time, and it happens faster for raw honey. It doesn't mean the honey's bad, but if it's too thick to pour through a strainer, then you can set it on a sunny windowsill or place the jar in a bowl of warm water. As the honey gently warms, it'll get runnier. If you don't mind heating the honey, you can use the hot method, which speeds up steeping time. Add the lavender and honey to a small pot. Warm over the lowest heat until the flavor has infused to your liking, about 5 to 15 minutes. Then drain into a jar. Use this lavender honey on all the things, like in Earl Grey tea lattes, drizzled over cheese boards, or even eaten straight off the spoon. A no-waste tip is that you can reuse the honey-soaked lavender to make tea. Simply add some of that lavender to a teapot, pour hot water over top, and just like that, you have a cozy, caffeine-free tea made from the lavender discard. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think.